Hello, friends. Wish you all a very good evening. This is your host from Trade at Levels, and as the video name suggests, let's analyze how will the markets behave tomorrow. Today was overall a bad day. Nifty is around 260 points down, and Bank Nifty has been around 769 points down. Two big red candles in both the indexes. Let us first see, what have been the reasons for today's corrections. Well, many in one day. Technically, markets were doing well, but the fundamentals have given it a beating. Geopolitical tensions between India and China and new margin rules by SEBI have been some of the key reasons. People had anticipated that SEBI would change its stand, but it did not happen, which has been quite negative for intraday traders. Well, markets have closed quite below the long-term trend line, and and let's analyze whether it's a confirmation of the start of a downtrend or it's just a temporary correction. Let's check the charts and see what they say. Well, moving on to Nifty chart, which you can see on the screen, it shows today that there has been a big red candle which has broken important supports of 11,616 and 11,459. If tomorrow's candle is also red and closes below today's low of 11,325, then it would be a confirmation that the downtrend has started after breaking the trend line. For an uptrend to resume with the confirmation, markets have to close above 11,800. Till then, markets will be moving sideways between 11,459 and 11,800. Kindly make a note of these levels. If the markets close above 11,459, then it would be a slight positive breather for the bulls and might recover a little. We need not be bulls or bears, but just let's go with the trend. As we all know, trend is our best friend. For tomorrow in intraday for Nifty, let me suggest you a few levels. Buying is advisable only above 11,459 and selling is advisable only below 11,359. And please note that if it goes below today's low of 11,325 and sustains there, then one more fall can come, and that would be a confirmation of downtrend if it closes below 11,325. Kindly make a note of these levels very carefully. Well, let's move towards Bank Nifty and see what the charts have to say. Even Bank Nifty made a negative big red candle. It broke an important level of 24,000. It took a resistance on upward channel and retraced downwards. Important level on the downside is 23,210. After Friday's high, this kind of profit booking was quite obvious, which I had kind of anticipated, but definitely today's correction was quite higher than most of us thought so. If Bank Nifty gives a close below 23,385, which is today's low, then negativity and downtrend may come in. Bank Nifty has to give a close about 25,178 for the uptrend to resume. Till then, we shall have to trade sideways in these levels. For tomorrow in intraday for Bank Nifty, buying is advisable only above 23,873 and shorts can be initiated below 23,650. As mentioned before, please do note that if Bank Nifty breaks today's low of 23,385 and gives a close below that, then negative sentiments may come in. Again, friends, this is just an advice for educational purpose, and please do consult your financial advisor before taking any positions, since stock market is a risky business, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.